One thing to keep in mind on any installation, whether it's a slider or a regular door frame that has a kind of a narrow threshold for you to mount your bottom track in your housing, is the best case scenario with our housing is that the bottom track is fully supported. In a situation like this where you have just enough room for the bottom track go on this surface, but the housing hangs over the edge, there's a way to support that that end cap. You're really going to lessen the chances of having to go out and do a repair. If that end cap pulls off just a little bit, if it gets a little bit crooked on there, the door won't operate correctly. So, easy solution is to cut a piece of bottom track, just a small piece that's just about as wide as that that end cap. This is probably a little bit too short, but it'll definitely work. If you take it, and you put it even with where that the bottom of that threshold is going to be, you screw it in. Take two. Now when you mount that housing, that end cap has plenty of support, and there's no way for that end cap to drop down. It's hitting that piece of bottom track that we screwed in there. It's not usually real visible, so aesthetically it should be fine, but it'll give that end cap the support it needs, so it doesn't cause you any kind of service issues, and the door functions properly for the customer.